Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Another heat advisory today, as it looks like our heat wave this week will be peaking today, and we do have some rain returning by tomorrow, which should help to start chipping away at some of these temperatures here, which will cool a few degrees. So we should have normal highs in the mid-90s to close out the week, and also some rain coming back perhaps late in the weekend, early next week as well. So hopefully that can keep us in the 90s rather than kind of pushing triple digits, which is what we'll do today. Pretty warm one. Will be mostly sunny throughout the day, mid-90s by lunchtime, and highs between 99 and 102 degrees this afternoon. A look at your temperatures starting out not too bad, 60s and low 70s. For the northern Arklatex, actually some of the coolest morning temperatures we've seen across the board in quite some time. Air is dried out a touch. We've had a north breeze for the last few days, but the humidity will be kind of returning here as we continue through the week and kind of pumping that tropical air into the Arklatex. So we'll feel that humidity again today. And your high temperatures should be around 101 in Shreveport, 100 in Texarkana, which will come just a few degrees shy of tying or breaking any records today, but definitely hotter than we would like for this time of the year. Heat advisory, again, in effect for all counties and parishes. The northern Arklatex last 2 days, you were not in the heat advisory, but you're back in it today. And look at your heat index, which should, again, be peaking around 3 to 4 p.m. this afternoon. We're showing the numbers coming in about 108, 109 or so, so definitely a hot day. Try to limit your time outside if at all possible, and if you have to be out there, of course, drink plenty of water and take a lot of breaks in the air conditioning. Now, a couple things to point out on the old map here. We do have a cold front coming down across the plains. This is a weak frontal boundary, but this is the front that will be moving in tomorrow and bringing a chance of some scattered storms. And also out here in the Gulf, the National Hurricane Center continuing to watch this little tropical wave, basically just an area of low pressure, which will continue to move to the west here and be closer to us tomorrow and Thursday, and this will kind of fuel some of the rainfall that we're expecting here. So going through the next few days on Futurecast, there won't be any rain out there today, so likely just a mostly sunny to partly cloudy day for us. But you'll see with the front coming in tomorrow, we do expect some rain to pop up, especially during the afternoon hours. And again, Futurecast is showing the kind of the cluster of storms here across East Texas. We'll likely see some storms extend further to the east as well. So just about anybody could see some rain tomorrow, and I think the clouds will kind of help out with the heat a bit. Still going to be pretty hot tomorrow as the front will get here pretty late, but we should start to see the temperatures ease back a bit, especially Thursday and Friday. And a look at the rainfall here, of course, the burn bands continue to expand. Most areas in Arkansas as well as Texas now currently under burn bans. Not as many in Louisiana, but if we get some rain, hopefully we do, we could see maybe a quarter to a half inch. And I think there will be some areas that maybe pick up slightly more than that, but definitely not the widespread rain that we're hoping for to kind of help out with the drought and ongoing burn bans here. Again, good chance of rain, which will drop our highs to near average, which is in the mid-90s. So Thursday and Friday should feel a lot better. Probably we'll see the heat advisories go away for a day or two, but they could come back this weekend as we'll be back in the upper 90s. And again, as long as we can get some rainfall going, we'll stay in the 90s, and it looks like we do have some rain on the way late this weekend and early next week.